Hey guys, this is part one of the two-part series. I'm going to start off with this gorgeous little dress. Here we go. It's 6 to 12 months. This is number 1. And this is going to be 22. There you go. It's in excellent condition. Linen. Number 2 is 12 months. Little birdie embroidered from Mexico. And this one is going to be 17. Excellent condition as well. Oh, there's a little spot right there. Still 17. There you go. All right. Third one and fourth one are going to be 12 to 18 months. We got this little boho dress with an attached vest. And we got a little hat that goes with it. Doesn't have any elastic. Maybe you guys can make it into a purse or something. Maybe it can be worn as a hat. This one's 17 and this one was number 3. Super cute. All right. Also 12 to 18 months, we got number 4. These straps are adjustable, so this will probably go 12 months to 2T. This is number 4. This one's also 17. Cute little embroidered ladybugs. This one's also from Mexico. There you go. And number 5 is 2T. This one is going to be 22. This is number 5. There you go, 2T. There you go. Really good vintage condition. Absolutely beautiful. This is number 5, 22. It's 2T. Really gorgeous. You guys, that's friends playing in the background because I have family over. There you go. All right. The next is 2 to 4T. This is number 6. Let me try to get the whole thing. This is a long maxi dress, linen, eyelet bottom. This is number 2 to 4T. This is the most gorgeous thing ever. There you go. That's 22, number 6. And this is excellent vintage condition, 100% linen. There you go. All right, next is 4T items. First one is this cute pinafore. I think I bought this off of Instagram, but my 4-year-old is the size of 5'6" right now. And this is number 7. There we go. This is number 7. Excellent, excellent condition. It's handmade, cotton. All right. This one's also 4T. This one is going to be 17. And this is number 8. There you go. How cute is this? That's 4T, 17. That was number 8. Next one is number 9, and it's a little bit bigger. It's 8 to 9 years. And this one's gonna be 27. This is a embroidered Mexican pinafore. Can be worn from 8 to 10 years. And that's number 9. Let's see. That's number 9. Look at the beautiful embroidery. It's in good vintage condition. All right, so the buttons are all there. Beautiful, beautiful pinafore. All right, you guys, in the comments section, please give me the number and the item you'd like. You can message me, and look forward to part 2. Thank you.